just full like 8.3 million times. You know she's filming. So we got a snow. So I got the orange lawnmower running, and I just want to do an update. All the stuff that you're gonna see on the table is for sale, and I am filming with my tablet, so it is gonna be a lot more blurrier because my phone went from 38 to 0, and like we got to there and it died. So we're using my tablet, and my tablet's at like 60 something. So you can come on up here. The sun just came out like at 3 minutes. I'm gonna just like stay like this. Probably gonna go behind a cloud in like 30 seconds. But okay, we're right up here. What for my slow sister to catch up.
I cannot see a single thing.
Just keep the camera on me.
I can't see you.
The sun is blinding. But, so, this whole table is for sale. So, I have front end, piece of iron from like some piece of lawnmower, axle holder, seat, 2 running boards, hood, like a starter, a cover, 2 carburetor covers, engine cover,
Steering wheel.
and then my steering wheel, and then I have this one, and I have a gold steering wheel, and then I have my back plate, and then I have the lawnmower, the old snowmobile, and the go-kart. So I'm going to show you down here. Watch out for the hole because there's a hood buried. But I am gonna think I'm gonna get a new engine for this. I don't know if I am. I don't know what we're gonna do. But this is the Alice timer, as you guys know, I'm pretty sure. Oh, Raven, watch out. But look at the engine mount. So the way the engine mounts, if Raven can move. I'm just trying to like find the engine holes. So it mounts. There's a hole here and a hole here, but I think I could drill new holes if I needed to. But then there's another hole here and a hole here. But this is where it has to hook on, and then this is like an idler pulley. No, it runs the hydraulics. So it runs the hydraulics, and that's the drive shaft pulley. So if you come over here under the snow, you can just see this little handle. Raven move. You see this little handle, but that's the front of it. Oh crap, we're not going to be able to see it because it's just buried, but it does have a...
Are you helping?
But it does have a pulley that has to hook on. My sister could just stand still. Stop moving. Okay, come on. Do you want me to film yet? Because you can't stop moving. Watch out for the hole.
Okay.
But, okay. Raven, leave her alone. She's filming. Raven, she's already a bad enough filmer. Leave her alone. So, just keep walking. I'll get this done. Okay, now we're good.
Big baby.
Ow, that's my hand. Oh, yeah.
It's because I stepped on her foot.
Raven!
Raven.
Leave her alone. Come on, you case of nuts. There's big random holes. But here's the old Husky. This is the old Husky. Husqvarna. It does run, but the battery just isn't in it right now. Got some snow, as you can tell. But yeah, warning, it's a mess. So this is my lawnmower shed. Cody has more stuff in here than I have in here. But scram really. Cody's lawnmower's in here. 3. No, don't need to be showing the oil. I'm pretty sure they're perfectly fine. But I have my lawnmower shed. Just Cody real that I put stuff in, but he doesn't like that. But I have my carburetor that used to go on that, but I put a new carburetor on it. The Cub Cadet does not have a battery in it right now, because my other battery, not the one that my dad gave me, is junk because it's like it says it's supposed to expire in 2018 and it's 2023 and it just died. So yeah, the one that died goes to the yard man, the yellow one. Cody's doesn't even turn on. That's how dead his battery is. Because I'm the only one that charges my batteries, and Cody don't like me touching his lawnmower. My sister is too lazy to stand up, so now she's sitting on Cody's lawnmower. Just have to get the snow off. But yeah, now Capri is now stuck on the lawnmower because she doesn't. I don't know what's wrong with my sister. But yeah, that's really all for today, guys. Capri, stop zooming in. That's really all for today, guys. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And it's mainly mowers.